This video is going to be a very powerful one as usual, guys. But now, today I'm going to show you something amazing. You guys should be aware when the market or when the trend is coming to an end and when the market, wants to reverse to go to the upper side. I'm a swing trader as usual and I do counter trends, all right? So most of the time I like trading reversals. That means I counter the trend, which is an amazing thing, but it's a very dangerous thing unless you know what you're doing. Okay, so in this video I want to show you the basic things that you guys should watch out before you make such decision. It's a very dangerous game, so begin. So once again, let's just hit that replay tool and see, okay, as usual, let's say this is how the market is looking like, and of course we see the market was going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So how will we take this trade? And of course, generally we see that this market is in an uptrend, okay, because as usual we see a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we expect that the market should continue to go all the way up. So but if you try to kind of look at this market, you see that there was this downtrend. Remember, we're looking for buys, so that means we should counter trend. Okay, we should look for buys while the market was dropping. So then the first thing you need to do, look for your highest zone and your lowest zone. Of course, we have this level to be our lowest zone. Oh, sorry. We have, let me hit this. We have this level to be our lowest zone, and of course we have a highest zone right there. So I keep on saying that we need to understand how price is approaching a support or a resistance. So what we'll be doing right now is just understand what the market will be doing around that level, and if we see opportunity, that is when we execute. So let's go to the H4. Now on the H4, all we need to do basically is look for the last two zones. Of course, last two high, so probably we have this level right like this. Okay, so for us to take a buy, since we're looking for a buy position, we need to see how price maybe takes out this level, and of course our first TP needs to be this high right here. Okay, so let's see what the market did. First thing first, let's hit the H1 right there. Just a minute. So of course we need to see that the market takes out this level. So let's see what the market did. Okay, sorry. okay, let's see. For now, we're just patient, and remember, like I said before, you need to understand how price approaching a support or a resistance. With that, of course, you'll be ready to see how the market's going to react. Maybe if you see the market giving us a continuation pattern, that is when we should execute, and if we see a reversal, then we do the other way. Okay, so let's see. Maybe we need to make our levels more clean and more handsome. So right over here we see, okay, the price has given us a continuation pattern, telling us that somehow is ready to take out that highest level, so or highest zone, which is a resistance. So probably, let me see at the H1. Right, with this with this bullish candlestick, I could have hit that buy entry, then my stop loss below that level, because of course I anticipate that price is now ready to take out that high. So let's see. Of course, this should be the first TP right there. Just a minute. So we have this, and of course our first TP should be this level right here. And as we see price playing out, we expect price to give us more opportunity until we go to our final TP. Remember, we have a high. Okay, that's amazing. All right, okay, remember, oh, that was hit. Now let me just have this. Of course, I'll rewind once again. I need to show you something. I keep on saying that price gives people opportunity, that is entry opportunity, that is if you miss an entry, you should get another opportunity for you to take another entry. All right, so probably we could have made the second entry position, because of course we see price approaching this level in a continuation pattern. So that just gives us another added advantage that we should continue riding this wave all the way up. Let's see. All right, that's amazing. Okay, so right there. So now we have first take profit, second take profit hit. So the next thing, we should understand how price is going to play around this level, and if we see a continuation pattern, that's when we execute. Right now I'm not seeing any continuation pattern, so we should just wait. All right, okay, all right. We're not doing anything because, okay, let me show you. For now we see price kind of trying to reverse impulse correction, that's why you see that bearish candlestick, but we're looking for continuation pattern. Right now we won't fall for any manipulation. This is the case, probably something like that. Okay, so let's see. Okay, probably market might be giving us another double bottom right there. So let's see. No, nothing, just a minute. All right, so if we kind of see how price broke out of this downtrend of ours, I'll hit this replay right here. We see we had, let me just take you back to the 15. We see that we had kind of another continuation pattern, which is a bullish flag, guys. So that was just a confirmation, just to tell us that, yo, I'm ready to continue going all the way up. So these are the tiny things that we should always look out for in the market, and of course stop loss below that level. And I'll have this, let's take it back to the H1. Okay, all right, so the next target that price might probably respect should be this level right here, and of course we need to target that level and see how price will react around that zone. Okay, so let's see. All right, that was closed. Price almost took us out. Oh, it broke, yes, and now boom, that is the third entry, or the third take profit that was smashed. So the next thing, like I say, we're just doing the same thing, repeating everything. We need to understand also how price is going to react around this level, and if you see the same thing that we've been seeing around here, that is when we will execute. So let's see. Okay, right now we're not doing a thing. I'll have this right here until we see a clear continuation pattern. All right. So right over here, probably we might do this. Let's just have it. All right, price did that. Okay, we have that. Okay, nothing yet, we just holding. All right, so maybe we missed this because it was not looking way too nice according to me, but let's see, price might give us another chance, understand. Right there, just wait. Oh, come on. Okay, I believe this was a good one, but kind of the market is crazy. Let's see. Okay, oh, yo, that was fast. I don't know if that was news, but you see that is a very good continuation pattern. If we miss that, there's no problem. You don't need to get it all the time, and sometimes we miss trades. So let's see. And of course, that's another continuation pattern right there that the market is trying to give us. And right there, right over here. Oh, come on. Let me see. Something like this. Okay. Another opportunity that the market is giving you to make your buy entry position, of course. Okay, our TP was our final TP hit. Okay. So some of the market is giving us a reversal and a head and shoulder, which is crazy. So let's see what the market is doing. Come on. All right, I told you that was a head and shoulder, but we're still trying to understand the market. All right. Okay, so right now we're not doing a thing because we're seeing that this is the kind of a pattern, probably of course that's a continuation pattern like I said before. So we need to all wait and see how price is going to react around this level. If we see another continuation, maybe we might execute. So let's see. Okay, just broke the number, just as okay, just a minute, I'm seeing something looking amazing. Let's see, come on, give me something. I wonder. All right, nope, never respected that, so we did not execute. So we continue evolving. Right now we're not doing a thing, we evolve. Okay, all right, see the market's trying to reverse. Okay, so the market is kind of dirty, we're not doing a thing. Or let's see. Okay, might try to give me an inverse head and shoulder, probably left shoulder, head comes back, right shoulder goes up. You never know, we anticipate. Let's see. Come down, thank you, respect that level. Okay, come on baby. Oh, that's crazy. I believe that was taken out, so we won't do a thing. All right, okay, the market's coming down. Of course, let's go to the higher time frame and try to see what the market is doing. So I'll remove this. Okay, so yeah, we see that market, of course, remember we've made our entry right from this support until our highest zone. Okay, which is an amazing thing. So we understand that there's nowhere that the market probably could have target. That's why you see that kind of a pullback, and of course we've not made an entry. So right now we want to see how price play around this, support level, and if we get something, we execute according to what we see. Okay, all right, let's hit the H1. Okay, of course we had maybe something like this, if that will make sense, and something like a double bottom right there. Let's see if we have a continuation, because we had just an impulse. Oh, this is kind of continuation, but the market is gone, so we just missed that. Okay, gives another opportunity, man. All right, let's see from the 15, man. We've been on the H1, probably that's why we're missing things. All right, okay, all right, let's see if this is something that we can bet on. All right, okay, the market's trying to be hard to get, but I believe, guys, you've learned something. So adios amigos, peace.